Photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means to build. Thus, photosynthesis means building up food with help of light. Photosynthesis is the process used by all green plants, blue-green algae, cyanophyta, and certain bacteria. It is the synthesis of organic compounds, primarily sugars from carbon dioxide and water, using sunlight as the source of energy and chlorophyll for trapping the light energy. Photosynthesis can be summarized by this equation. The photosynthetic process has been shown to be divided into two major phases. Light stage, light-dependent reactions, represents conversion of radiant energy to chemical energy in the form of ATP. Dark stage, light-independent reactions, represents the enzymatic synthesis of carbohydrate intermediates and other compounds by the utilization of the ATP produced during the light stage. The process of photosynthesis takes place in the following three types: absorption of sunlight energy by chlorophyll, conversion of sunlight energy into chemical energy, splitting of water into hydrogen and oxygen by light energy, reduction of CO2 by hydrogen to form carbohydrate like glucose by utilizing the chemical energy.